So as this is the first slide, and we United International, commonly known in Maldives as UI, and we established in the year of 2010. Because right now this is the time where we all know that we all are going through a pandemic named COVID-19, Corona. So here, we all can say most of all the travel is stopped, whether it's a flight, it's a air travel, it's a hotels. So tourism industry is right now stopped. So right now this is the time for us. We can sit and we can plan for the future travels, because now once this pandemic will go, then we will get a very better deals from all the hotels, all the resorts, from the flights. So here I'm going to tell you about us, who we are, and what we are doing. The motive behind this UI Maldives is that here we want to provide best possible travel needs for our travelers, for our agents, for our budget travelers, for our mid-segment travelers, and for the travelers who want to travel on a luxury. Moving to our another slide. Now, who we are. What is United International? So basically, we divided us in three. We have three branches here. First one is UI Maldives, which works as a DMC, because we do have a very vast network of affiliate hotels on a local island, and rates for the luxury resort island, and of course we deal in corporate and MICE bookings as well. The second branch is UI Hotels. We do have 3 hotels in Hulmale with a capacity of 95 beds. And third one is UI Adventure. This branch takes care of all the activities and adventures which we provide to our guests. And this our island Hulmale is very close to the airport. Like, it's just 10-minute drive by car or by public transport to reach us. It's just 6 kilometers away. So now, as I told you, we are talking about Maldives. So I just give you a small, most of you know, but I need to give a brief. So Maldives basically consists of 1,200 islands with 99% of water. Land is just 1%, with a population of 350,000 people. Here you'll find around 160 resort islands. And the best part is there is no visa formality. Visa is free on arrival. This is the Hulmale Island. This is the place where UI Maldives is located. And this is a place full of happenings. So you can see in the map at the left-hand side, at the bottom, you can find the capital city of Maldives named Male. In the middle is the Vellana International Airport, from where all the flights land and depart. And at the top, you can see Hulmale Island, where we are located. So Hulmale, why to stay in Hulmale? Because Hulmale has the longest beach in a local island in Maldives. It is in the middle of the beautiful coral reefs, and it is very nearby to all the most famous resort islands. Shopping complexes are here, for meeting conferences placed here. Those things I will cover up in our presentation going further. This is Hulmale Jetty. Now I am talking about Hulmale. I am showing you Hulmale in pictures. I have taken some pictures so that you all have an idea that how Hulmale looks like, what all things you can do here. So this is the Hulmale Jetty. This is the place from where all the trips start, activities and excursions. And this is the place from where guests can take a public transport to go to Male or to airport. This is the upcoming water theme park, which is coming in the 3rd quarter. This is the first water park in Maldives. This is the Central Park. You can see here, this place is used for marathons, for events, for exhibitions, and for a morning walk. There is a walking track here. Guests can come for a morning walk, for evening walk. This is again a walking track in the Central Park with full of greenery. This is a photography point in the Central Park. This place can be used for nice photographs, for a couple, for a family, for a child play as well. This way, this park can be used. Here, there is a jogging track is here. There is an outdoor gym which guests can use free of charge. There is a yoga platform. Here you can see at the left, there is a yoga point and a yoga platform, and outdoor gym is there. This is a residential area in Hulmale. Hulmale city made in a very planned way. You'll find everything here. Roads are very nice and clean. Residential complexes are very systematic, made in a very systematic way. Shopping center, grocery shops, shopping stores, souvenir shops are made in a very planned manner. This is again a residential area. This is excursion jetty. We call it wooden jetty as well. And this is the place from where guests used to take our boat to go to any of our water sport or activities. This is the Hulmale beach area. This place can be used for a quality time to spend with the partner, with the family. These are beach photography. All these photographs I have taken from our photographer. This I am showing you all have an idea how our beach looks like, how Hulmale looks like. So that it will help you to sell Hulmale as a place. This again beach photography at the Hulmale beach area. This is also Hulmale beach. Hulmale beach area for beach photography. Now this is again a Hulmale jetty, but here you can see at the back, you can see safaris and yachts are parked there. So they do serve liquor and dinner or fine dining as well. So guests can go there for drinks and for fine dine there. The transfer to this place is free. The guests just need to pay for the drinks and for the dinner which they consume. Bike rentals in Hulmale, guests can rent a bike and take around Hulmale to roam around to see the places. This is a tourist private beach. This is an aerial view of public beach area. This is an ocean swimming pool. This pool is very, very, very close to our hotel, and guests can use this pool free of charge. There is no charge to use this pool. Youth complex. This is a youth complex, which is in the Hulmale. This is the aquatic center in youth complex. And here, like there is Olympic competition size pool is there. There is a heated pool is there, and dive pool is also here in the aquatic center. at Youth Complex. If guests want to go for bowling and billiards, they can do that here as well. Last but not the least, boutique conference. Like this place is used for events, for boutiques, because as I already told you in the starting, we do deals with the corporates for Miles Travels, for the for companies, fam trip, for any kind of events, any kind of conferences. We do use this place, and we do have a capacity to just arrange a conference or meeting for more than 250 packs. Now food. Here in Himalaya, the one more thing very important, and you can say very famous thing about Himalaya is that here guests can get a variety of food. There are a lot of restaurants. There are a lot of food options for Indian food, for Thai food, and for beachfront restaurants, for cafes, for fish. So here guests can enjoy a variety of food without any hesitation, and they can explore different kind of local food and other cuisines. And as I already told you, we do have 3 hotels in Himalaya, and each of them contain a restaurant. One is Dock and Dine, second is Big Apple is a cafe, and U Coffee. Here we do have a very good chefs who can make a very nice Indian food, Italian food, and Thai food, and guests can choose from a variety of drinks as well. Now, next branch is UI Adventure. And now I'm going to start about the adventure trip. And after that, I'll come up with some bundle packages for hotel stay with the activities. So to start with that, I just want to tell you all that now what are slides I'm going to show. From those slides at the end of this presentation, where we will ask one question. We will write in the message box, and whosoever reply first, they will get a 3-night, 4-day stay in one of our property with breakfast, return transfer, and full day adventure trip will be part of that. The travel date will be up to 30th of November. So everyone, please be careful, or please pay attention while we're going through the slides, so that questions will be from those slides only. Now I'm going to start. UI Adventure basically deals in all the tours and excursions which UI provides to our guests or agents, like any kind of activities, like resort trips, diving, water sports. You can see in the left-hand side, also like resort island trips, water sports, scuba diving, fishing trips, snorkeling trips, submarine dive, candlelight dinner, dolphin cruise, sunset cruise. All the activities is taken care by UI Adventure department. So moving on, questions will be from the slides which are going to come. Now, the point comes, what's so special about us? Like everyone thinks that what is so much special in the United International or UI Maldives, that why agent will book through? There are so many options to book, but here why you all should book through us, because we do have some USPs, unique selling points, and on which we all have a proud that we are able to provide the best service from the year 2010. We do enjoy a very good reputation. We are multi-award winning, like Maldives Travel Award. We have a top ranking on TripAdvisor. We have a qualified tour guides. They are reliable and very much experienced. And the best part is all the guests who are taking any activities on any excursions from us, they are insured by $1 million. That we do provide to all the guests who are taking any activity from our side. Now from here, our activities and trips are starting. So the very famous trip is full day adventure trip. This trip starts 9 a.m. in the morning, and the price will be $59 per person. In this trip, inclusions will be sandbank trip, dolphin cruise, picnic lunch will be served at the sandbank, and Snorkeling gears will be provided like life jackets,
அவங்க சொல்லுவாங்க.
fins, masks, beach photography will be there, and the evening tea. These are some pictures which have been taken at the during this trip. This is a child enjoying at the sandbank. This is our boat, and you can see the sandbank. Guests are enjoying there. You all the guests just need to take the light clothes along with them, because each and other things will be provided in the boat, like towels, beach towels. There is a changing room. There is a washroom in the boat, so guests can use that. All the gears will be provided from our side. Lunch will be provided. There are some guests enjoying the snorkeling during their trip. They can see beautiful corals, fishes, tortoise. The sandbank. Lunch will be served at the sandbank. This photo is taken near the sandbank. There are some guests taking picture along with our crew, with our banner, UI Maldives. This is again photo at the beach. Now, this is another trip. This is a guided snorkeling trip. This is just a shorter version of full day adventure trip. In this trip, inclusions will be like guests will not go to a sandbank, but they can enjoy snorkeling in Coral Garden, Stingray Point, and Shark Point. The price will be $25 per person, and here guests will get uh, life jackets, fins, masks, and experienced guides will be there to escort them, to instruct and to assist them. This is a sunset dolphin cruise. This is a private trip for a couple, for honeymooners, and this is very popular among the honeymooners or for among the couples. The price will be $35 per person, and this is a private trip for a couple, so they can enjoy the sunset in the evening. Private candlelight dinner with set menu and cabana setup. The price will be $25 per person. Water sports adventure, and this guests can enjoy 1 hour motorized and 1 hour non-motorized. Water sports, the price will be $59 per person, and in this guests can enjoy jet ski, banana ride, canoeing. Scuba diving, if guests want to uh, see the corals and they want to go for scuba diving, then they can choose this one. Even this can be done from the non-swimmer side as well. They can also enjoy diving because there will be instructor accompanying the diver. The price will be $95 per person. Evening fishing. This includes boat fee, drinking water, fishing gears will be provided from our side, bait fish to catch the fish, and return transfer from or to hotel. The, the price will be $35 per person. And if the guests want to include barbecue dinner, then price will be $25 per person extra. Submarine dive. If any guests don't want to go for scuba diving, they can go for this trip, submarine dive. This they can enjoy 45 minutes in a submarine and see the underwater corals, different kind of fishes, turtles, and so many things. The price will be the same, $95 per person. This is the capital city, Male. We do provide walking tour with a tour guide to Malé to see the local market, Islamic Center, President Parliament. They can go for souvenir shopping. They can see the famous places in Malé. The price will turn $5 per person. Local island hopping. So even if guests are staying in Hulmale, Hulmale is also an island. If the guests want to explore any other local island, so we do provide visit to a local village to explore the local lifestyle, basically, that how local people stay, what is their culture, how they stay. They can do the souvenir shopping there. They can enjoy the tourist beach. There is a surfing area there. The price will be $55 per person. Now, there's a full day trip to a luxury resort. Here, I'm going to tell you some of the resorts. Not all the resorts, some of the resorts. I'm showing you so that you all have an idea that resorts also provide day visits to the guests. So this is one of the very good resorts other than Hudrin Fushi Resort. The price will be $110 per person. This trip includes return boat transfer, like buffet lunch will be served at the resort, waterwheel area access will be there, swimming pool access will be there, shower facilities, and some other resort facilities will also be there. Here, the guests will not get only to stay here, stay or dinner. Rest, they will go in the morning and they will come back in the evening. Everything will be taken care of from our side. Their transfers and everything. This is another resort, other than Prestige Badu. The price will be $135 per person. And in this, inclusions will be return boat transfer, unlimited drinks, buffet lunch, waterwheel area access, swimming pool access, shower facilities, and some other resort facilities as well. This is Santara Raspushi. The price will be $165 per person. Return boat transfer, unlimited drinks, buffet lunch, waterwheel area access will be there, swimming pool access will be there, and Santara Raspushi have a pool bar as well. Shower facilities will be there, and other resort facilities will also be there. This is Club Med Kani Resort. The price will be $165 per person. And this trip includes return boat transfer, unlimited drinks, buffet lunch, waterwheel area access, swimming pool access, shower facility, and of course, some more resort facilities will also be there. That varies time to time. Now, I'm going to talk to you about some packages in which we are providing a stay in Hulmale Island in one of our property or any of the affiliate property with a excursion. Another one is stay in our property plus day visit to a local resort islands, stay with us with activities and day visit to a resort, and stay in a local island accompanying with the stay 1 night or 2 nights here. And if any guests want to book only resorts, then they can book a resort also, like water villas and beach bungalows. So in the starting, I told you that we do have 3 hotels in Hulmale, and the hotels are UI Inn, Factory Residence by UI, and Beach Park Residence. All these 3 hotels are very close to the beach. And out of these 3, one hotel, Beach Park Residence, is a beachfront property. It's just in front of the beach. So I'm going to show you some packages. This is a very popular package for the budget travelers. This package starts just $175 per person. We call it Maldives Adventure Bundle. And this we are providing 3-night stay in one of our property with return airport transfer. Half board meal plan with breakfast and dinner will be served at one of our restaurants. Full day adventure trip will be there, and the canoe ride. The prices will be up to 5 packs, $175, 6 to 14 packs, $165, 15 and above, $155. And the prices for now, this is the price. This prices which we are showing is here so that you all have an idea. Then approx what will be the price for this packages. Don't take this price as a final price, because of course there are chances for the negotiations as well for the booking. This is again one of very good package for the, you can say, for the guests who want to enjoy the luxury, keeping in mind their budget also. That's why we call it Maldives affordable luxury. In this package, we provide 3-night stay in Hulmale Island in a deluxe room in one of our properties, return airport transfer, breakfast and dinner. And even guests want to upgrade to full board, means breakfast, lunch, and dinner, then anytime they can upgrade by paying $10 per person per night extra. Honeymoon bed decoration will be provided, and full day trip to luxury resort island with buffet lunch, access to water villa zone, swimming pool, and other resort facilities. The price will be up to 5 packs, $235 per person, 6 to 14 packs, $225, 15 and above, $215. And right now, all these prices are open throughout the year. There is no validity, there is no booking window right now. Guests can book for the December month as well. They can book for the October month as well. They can book for September month as well. Even if they will do an early bird, of course, we do provide very good rate, and we will provide better rates for sure. This is a package keeping in mind the honeymooners. So in this package, we are providing 3-night stay in our Beach Park Residence Hotel in sea view room with the balcony. Return airport transfer will be there. Breakfast and dinner will be served. Honeymoon bed decoration will be there. Honeymoon cake will be provided. Private trip to a sandbank. Romantic sunset cruise with sparkling wine. And wine will be non-alcohol. A beach photography on the sandbank, and the price will be $285 per person, up to 5 packs. 6 to 14 packs, $275. 15 and above, $265. So this is the package in which we are we have included Crossroads as well. And I hope, like you all knows, most of you knows about Crossroads. So we have taken a deal from them to provide the day visit to a Crossroads, because Crossroads is a integration of 2 islands, and it is the first you can say extraordinary multi-island, which is a fully integrated as a leisure destination. Here you guests can see like hotels are there, like Hard Rock Hotel is there, Sai Lagoon by Hilton is there, Hard Rock Cafe is there, Kebab and Curry is there, Minister of Crab is there, Sufani is there. So there are a lot of restaurant options for fine dining options are there. There are a lot of activities options are there, and that is a very nice place to go. So here in the full day trip to a Crossroads Marina, guests will get lunch or dinner, depend on their choice, because they can spend the time from morning till their last transfer. 4-hour free flow, unlimited alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks will be served from their chosen restaurant, and beach and pool access will be provided with the locker facilities, and $10 retail cash voucher will be also given to the guests, and 20% F&B discount will be there. There are a lot more, but which we cannot cover in this presentation. Once, if you want the detail, you can drop us an email, drop us a WhatsApp message. We'll provide you all the details with the inclusions in Crossroads. The price will be $285 per person, up to 5 packs. For 6 to 14 packs, $275. And for 15 and above, $265 per person. This is a Maldives Privacy Island package. This package costs $350 per person. In this, we are providing 4-night stay. And this 1-night stay will be in one of our property in a deluxe room. And 3-night stay will be in a local island with all the transportations, all the meals like breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Sandbank trip will be there. Beach picnic will be there. Snorkeling in a rose coral garden. Manta Ray snorkeling trip, and island tour will be part of that. That will be done during their stay for 4 nights. Here, this is a package, Maldives Ocean Villa package. This is a package for 3 nights, 4 days. And in this package, we are providing a 2-night stay in one of our property in a deluxe room, 1-night stay in a water villa property, with all the transportation, breakfast and dinner, and full day adventure trip will be part of the package. And the price for this will be, right now we are not disclosing the price because still we are negotiating the better rates from the resort so that we can get a better rate. But you can have an approx idea. It will be in between $700 and $750 around. But don't take this price as a final because we are still negotiating with the resort. So once the price will confirm, then of course we will be able to give you price, and for sure we will give you a very good price for the resorts as well. So that's all from the presentation side. So this is the, you can see here, you can see our contact details. Our managing director, Mr. Nasi, contact number, his email ID is there. My name is there, my email ID and my contact number is there. We both are available on WhatsApp, Viber, WeChat, Line. So you all are free, and we will be more than happy to receive any queries, any requests, any suggestions, and you can scan a barcode as well to get our details. And please do write us so that we all have an idea that what we can include in our next presentation. And if you have any doubts, if you want to include anything from your side to cover up, because for us this is a time where we all need to think. We need to try different strategies so that we can plan for the future travels. Because as an agent or as a hotelier, we all are at the same, like right now we all are at the same